Hello children, today I'll continue the multiplication chapter 4. Properties of multiplication. If the multiplicand becomes the multiplier and the multiplier becomes the multiplicand, the product remains the same. For example, 3 into 8, 24 or 8 into 3, 24. Number 2, the product of 3 or more numbers does not change even if their groups are changed. Example, 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to, in first bracket, 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to, again if you exchange the group, 2 into 5 within bracket into 3 is equal to 3 into 5 within bracket into 2 is equal to 30. It will be the same answer. Number 3, the product of any number and 1 is the same number. For example, 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 15 into 1 is equal to 15. 505 into 1 is equal to 505. Number 4, the product of any number and 0 is always 0. For example, 5 into 0 is equal to 0, 25 into 0 is equal to 0, 1515 into 0 is equal to 0. Now, I am going to the multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000 or their multipliers. If a number is multiplied by 10 or multiplies of 10, such as 20, 30, 40 and so on, 1 0 is placed after the product. For example, 35 into 10 is equal to 350, 7 into 30 is equal to 210. Number 2, if a number is multiplied by 100 or multiplies of 100, such as 200, 300, 400 and so on, 2 zeros are placed after the product. For example, 12 into 100, 1200, 105 into 400 is equal to 42,000. Number 3, if a number is multiplied by 1000 or multiples of 1000, such as 2000, 3000, 4000 and so on, 3 zeros are placed after the product. For example, 35 into 1000 is equal to 35,000, 5 into 3000 is equal to 15,000. Now, multiplication by expanded notation method. We can expand the number and multiply each of them by the multiplier and get the final product by adding all the products. For example, multiply 1458 by 5. So, if you multiply it, expand this number 1458, 1000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 8 within bracket into 5. Now, open the bracket, 1000 into 5, keep it in the within bracket, plus 400 into 5, keep it within bracket, plus 50 into 5, keep it within bracket, plus 8 into 5, keep it in the bracket. Now multiply all these. 1000 into 5, 5000, 400 into 5 is equal to plus 2000 plus 50 into 5 is equal to 250 plus 8 into 5, 40, and total will be 7290. Now multiplication of 2 and 3 digit number by a 2 digit number. Now you see the short method. 58 into 24. Now within column you write 58 into 24. First by 4 you have to multiply these two numbers. 4 8s are 32. 3 will go to tens line. 4 5s are 20 plus 3 23. This is in ones line. Now by 20 you have to multiply this 58. Now put 1 0 in ones line. 2 8s are 16. Now cut 3, 1 will go to tens line. Now 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. Now plus these two number. 0 plus 2 2, 6 plus 3 9, 1 plus 2 3, and 1000 line 1. So 1392. Okay. Now 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Same way you have to multiply by 4. This number will come 1008, and by 1 you have to multiply this 3-digit number and will come 2520. Now add these two number. Total will be 3528. Now solve the word problem. The cost of one pen is rupees 12. What is the cost of 8 such pens? Now you have to how to write the statement. Cost of one pen is equal to rupees 12. So the cost of 8 such pens is equal to multiplied by 8. It will be 96, rupees 96. So the cost of 8 such pens is rupees 96. Another one, there are 60 minutes in an hour. How many minutes are there in a day of 24 hours? Now write the statement like this way. In an hour there are is equal to 60 minutes. So in 24 hours there are multiplied by 24. Now by 24 if you multiply, 1 0 will put, and now 4 6 are 24, and 2 6 are 12. Sorry, this is answer is coming. Just I am showing you. Just like this way, you have to you can multiply this one. I am showing you in two column. Just 4 zeros are 0, 6 4s are 24. Now in tens line, put 1 0 in ones line. 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12. So plus this 0 4 4 1. This minutes. Okay, minutes. So answer will come 1440 minutes. So this answer will come. Okay. So there are 1440 minutes in a day of 24 hours. Okay. Now another problem I am showing. If Ravi earns rupees 795 in a day, how much does he earn in a week? So statement like this way you have to write. In a day Ravi earns rupees 795. A week means 7 days. So in a week, that means he earns multiplied by 7. So answer will come rupees 5565. So he earns in a week rupees 5565. Now another problem. There are 396 pages in a book. How many pages will be there in 21 such books? Now write statement like this way. Number of pages in a book is equal to 396. So number of pages in 21 such books is equal to multiplied by 21. So first by 1 you multiply this 396, and by 2 if you multiply this will come 7920. Serially by 2 6 first you multiply, then 9, then total will come 8316 pages. So there will be 8316 pages in 21 such books. Okay, so this chapter is finished. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.